up, DA fam? It's your girl Ameerah, and today I am here with a makeup tutorial for you guys. I am so excited to be doing this makeup tutorial for you guys because I've been on Instagram and I keep telling you guys I'm going to give you guys a makeup tutorial. I'm going to do it. So today is the day I am actually going to do it. If you follow us on social media, you guys know, unfortunately, I have a cold. So I am sick. So this tutorial I'm not going to talk. I'm just going to more so just do my makeup and then let you guys see. And then at the end, when I show you guys the look, I'll talk some more. But during my makeup, I'm not going to talk because it kind of hurts my throat to talk. Without further ado, we're going to get into this video. is the final look. Let me know what you guys think. Comment below. And if you guys would like for me to do another makeup tutorial for you guys, I will put that in the comments also. If you like this look, give this video a thumbs up. Before I close this video out, I just want to say a few things to you guys. 2020, oh my God. Thank God for a new year. Happy New Year to you guys. Also, we know we didn't post a lot in December and we didn't post anything for New Year. So, Happy New Year's, everyone. And Merry Christmas to everyone. So, a few things I would like to say is, I have started back selling my lashes. So you guys, if you would like to shop Minx by Mimi lashes, please go to my page on Instagram at Minx by Mimi, which I'll put down below for you guys. And please sign up for my daily text messages. They are beautiful quotes every day, inspiring lots of people. I've got really positive feedback from my messages. So yeah. But give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace. Love you, DA fam.